So guys, I promised I was going to make a part 2 video on the top secret on how to trade Roman crash, and here I am. So welcome again. So this training tutorial rather is going to focus on people with low capital. I mean, you know, your capital is not something it can make you stay long in the market. You know, you want to make a quick gain and you wait for an opportunity. This training is for you. So just sit back and relax. So, however, know that we are going to also pay attention to our backbone strategy, which is price action and market structure. This will always be our backbone for trading any financial instrument. So now, those who have seen my other videos, you've heard me mention some things before, so I'm not going to talk about those things again. I only mention, the new indicators you see on my chart. I will explain what it means and how to use it. So in this strategy, we're going to start from 500. So we are not going to stay on the daily charts because daily chart takes too much time for you to find setups. We're going to go on 4 hours. We're going to be using 4 hours and 1 hour. Okay, so what you want to do first, this is your 4 hours charts. Like we always say, you shrink your charts as you zoom out, then you change it to your line charts. What you are looking for is one price to have trended for a while. Then you want your price to be below these 3 moving average lines that I call the home base. If price is below it, then when price starts pushing up, you will find opportunities in that area. So this is what you want to do. Okay, meanwhile, excuse me, there's another indicator below. This is called the WPR, Williams percentage range, and this is the settings for its period 55, level -80, -20, -50, and the visualization is set to all time frames. So that's it. So what we're going to do here is you're looking for market to start pushing up when it's below the home base. So we're going to take this one. This is where we'll find a push up right here. But before the push up happens, you want to see your market to be below the -80 line. Everyone can see this line right here, right? You can see that the Williams percentage range is below the -80 line level. Yes. So now why is below it? You're waiting for a push up and you want it to tally with this push up here. You can see this point here, right? So why this thing start pushing up, and you can also see your awesome oscillator is below your zero line. This point is what you call like the zero line, is below it. So what you're going to do is, why it starts pushing up, let me expand it a bit. Now why it starts pushing up, hope you guys can see this. You are waiting for, there's this thing in a financial market, I know everyone have heard about it, that they call rally based rally. So you want it to rally base, and you want your next rally to be above the previous resistance. This is what you want to see. See this formation? Let me expand it so that you see. Hope everyone can see this formation. You see this formation, 1, 2, zigzag, rally, base, rally, and you want your next rally to be above the previous resistance. Now this has happened. What you're going to do now is, now it has happened, you are waiting for a return, or you can call it a retracement, so that you place your entry. So let's say this is your previous resistance, and there are sometimes it doesn't really get to this level, but let's use this for example. You map this zone, you go to your 1 hour. Your 1 hour, you are looking out for, your 1 hour, there are 2 things you're looking out for. Is that you're looking out for your Williams percentage range to be, close to your 50 level. This 50 level, like this one really got here. This one was close, but it still counts because it's close to a support section now. You can see the support zone here. There's a support zone here. You can see it. So now it tallies with this zone. You can even make it even better. When it gets to this level, you can now go to your 15 minutes. In your 15 minutes, you will see that the Williams percentage range went below your 80 level. So this is your 15 minutes. You can see it right here. Guys, you can see it. So at this level, what you're just waiting for is, we're talking about boom here. You know how boom moves, it's a spike. So you're just waiting for the spike to get above your moving average. And there are times where you have to wait for also like a break of structure. You're looking at a market structure. You don't just only rely on the indicator, breakout and close. On this place, you find like a structure right here. Don't just forget to plot structures. They are really important. Then also, you can also find levels here. See this multiple support and resistance levels, and it breaks out. Then you know that your buy is good to go, and you can see how long this thing took. 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours. This is a good market. So to find your how far the market will go, you take your Fibonacci, like I said, you draw it, and you can see that it got to the last reversal level. So that is that. I think you can also do that for when you go on 1 hour. You can also do that here. That's the retracement. You go to this level. See how this thing it just keep repeating itself. You go on 15 minutes, the same thing. You do the same thing and you just repeat the process. So I don't want this video to be too long. Already 6 minutes. I don't like long videos so that people can get what they are looking for. So you see that on 1000, the same thing happened on the 1000. Check your 4 hours. You're looking for markets to start pushing below your home base. Tap on here, tap on there, tap on there. Here you can see it below this place. When you map the zone, if you are looking for rally-based rally, here it's not too clean. Or if you check on 1 hour, I'm sure you'll be able to find it. Rally-based rally. See that thing I talked about. This thing did not really get to this place. But if you map this zone, once you've gotten your rally, you have to map this out. Your rally, your base, and the next rally went above the previous resistance. So you're just waiting for a sign to know that you are ready to go. So this is your last rally. If you go check on 15 minutes, I think you'll be able to find a good retracement. Yeah, this is where your retracement happened on 15 minutes, right here. You can see it right here, guys. You can see it. So how do you trade this? Let's change it to candlesticks. You can see. So I'm looking. Let's look for a structure right here that happened. This thing moved like this, moved upward, kind of broke. Even if you had entered the market here, your stop loss will still be tight to be around here. Stop loss here, or you can as well wait for market structure formation on 15 minutes, and let's see if we can find the structure. Yes, the formation here. That is why when this thing broke up, you see this long candle. This is where the movement really started. Do your control. Why? You see that it just took only a day. This thing happened from our time zone early in the morning. You can tell this thing happened early in the morning. Yeah. So that is that. Okay, let's head over quickly to you can see here. Look at it right here. I told you it's either below 8 or it gets to 50. You can see if you go to 15 minutes, you see the same thing happen. You see the same thing happen here. If you go here, you see that this thing went really way down. Let's see here. Let's just see. You can also check this out on 5 minutes, not just 15 minutes. You can see the clean. You can see the breakout here. See how it's pushing. Let's change the line chart. See a structure here. Yeah, there's a structure here. So if you are one who is able to take risks, you can this as well. Both here you buy, you put your stop loss below the structure, just below it. Let's see what 5 minutes is saying. Let's see. Oh, this will be clean. In 5 minutes you would have entered the market much earlier. Okay, so let's go to crash. Let's see what's happening on crash. 1000. So this is a bit choppy, but we can still find some. Like I said, below the home base. Yeah, from here. So this is what you're looking at. Once it gets to this place, you're looking at opportunity. I didn't say you should buy you. I say you're looking at opportunity. So you're looking for your rally-based rally. Sometimes you don't find a clean movement. just find the structure. This is why you have to look at other time frames to find the structure. You can see this is a rally based rally. This one went higher than this one, so you can say it's a rally based rally. So at the return is going to be around here. Then we are looking out for 15 minutes. You can see here the 15 minutes real percentage rate got to at this level. You can see it's 80 level. At this point, you're looking at opportunity. So if you're looking at this chart now, you can clearly see a structure here. There's a W structure here. Look at it here. One, or which you could also call a double bottom. Double bottom. See it here. Guys, can you see the structure here? Hope you can see the structure. One. This is a double bottom, and you can also call it W. It is like a reversal pattern. So you can see that, guys, what I'm giving you here is it's really heavy. I'm giving you something really heavy. This is really heavy. So then you can see the breakout. You can see the breakout. You can see the breakout, guys. So because you are looking at the market is already on a dominant trend, bullish dominant trend, you're looking at a buy opportunity. In 15 minutes, you place your buy, and your stop loss is going to be below the structure. No, this is a high yield setup for high reward and low risk. So guys, if this training is, if you are enjoying what you hear on this video and you're really getting good stuff, then the least you can do is like this video, subscribe, share, put it in my comment there. Let me know if what I'm doing, and I'm giving value here. Okay. The least you can do is subscribe, like, share, also comment. So guys, this is it for you. I think I will stop here. We're already on 12 minutes. So guys, this is the video I promised part 2. So save out the trading. Peace, guys.